In this section, I want to talk about filtering BGP routes, and I want to use different approaches to do this. First of all, I will need to use a distribute list. Next, I will go for a prefix list, and after that, I will check how you can do this using a route map. So I want to do this on router 2, for example. Let me check the IP BGP table and see what we have here. In BGP table, you can see that I have a route. That's a summary route that I have received from router 1. I want to remove this. So to do this, I will go using a distribute list first. I go to configuration mode, go to router BGP 25, and here I assign a distribute list to this neighbor 10.0.12.1, and the distribute list can have different types of access lists. I'm going to use a simple access list, for example, access list number 25, and you can see that this is inbound or outbound. Because I'm receiving this route, I want to use inbound to remove it, so I assign N here. Now that I have assigned this distribute list, I need to create the access list. So access list 25 is going to deny 110000, for example 255 and it is permitting any other routes that I will receive from router 1. So I have a permit any at the end of this access list. Now let me check the access list first. You can see this is the access list that I have created by clearing IPBGP table softly and waiting a little and checking the IPBGP table again. You can see that I don't have this route any longer. So let me go to router BGP process and remove the line of command that I have added previously and clear the IPBGP table to invoke it to receive the routes again, and the route is in my BGP table. Now I'm going to the second approach, neighbor 10.0.12.1. This time I'm assigning a prefix list here, and I want to name this prefix no summary, for example, from R1. And again, this prefix list can be inbound and outbound. I want it to be inbound. Now I create the IP prefix list here, and the name is no summary from R1. That is denying 1100/20, and this is the exact route that I'm going to deny. And I don't want to add any longer parameter. And again, I need to permit any other thing that is received. So I permit 0000/0LE32 and hit enter. And now because I have added the line of command on the router process, I need to clear IPBGP anything softly and check IPBGP after a refresh of my table to show IPBGP, of course. And you can see again I have filtered that route out. Now again back to router BGP 25, removing this line of command. The third approach is to use a route map. Let me create the route map first. Route map no, for example 1 route. This is the name that I just have this, and I'm going to deny a route here, deny 10, and the route is going to be matched using access list, and the access list name is going to be no 11 route again, and I'm going to permit any other route. So I permit 100 and nothing else. So I create the IP access list, and that's gonna be a standard access list. and its name is no11 route, that is matching 1100.00255.255 and nothing else. Exit. Now I need to go to router BGP25 and assign this route map to neighbor 10.0.12.1. The route map is no11 route, and again I need to assign it inbound or outbound because I'm receiving the route, so I'm going to filter it inbound. So I hit enter, and again clearing IPBGP table, and again checking IPBGP. Do show IPBGP, and you can see these 3 different approaches to remove a route from my routing table or from my BGP table. And you know that anything that is removed from BGP table cannot be installed in my routing table again.